Homeowners are always trying to save money and cut costs. That's how we end up replacing so many failed French drains. The recycled materials that are sold in Home Depot, Lowe's, some of the hardware stores, they're very thin, they're very flimsy. They were designed to fail right from day one. That's why we had offered to the public our high octane French drain man's high octane, manufactured by the Baughman Tile Company. It's a virgin material. It's the strongest single wall pipe in the world, and it has more inlet than any other pipe in the world. It's simply put the best drainage pipe available. When you would spend so much money on clothing, furniture, light fixtures, the list is long. Why do you sell your largest investment in life, your home, short and put the cheapest parts and products in the ground that you can get your hands on? So it just ends up failing. And then we have to come in, whether it's a year or two or three, we got to come in, pull up the old system, and then put in our French drain system. All right, everybody, until the next video.